IMA కాకుండా ఈవెన్ బ్రాంచెస్ IMA కూడా is being dominated by ENT leaders. The paradox is that when it comes to the voters to elect the state body, last year we have gone through in depth అన్ని వడపడి చూసాము. Pediatricians highest among the voters. So they actually decided, or they would decide as to who should lead, who should become the president, who should become president-elect. But the leadership is going to the ENT. It shows that the spirit and the commitment of the leaders of the ENT. Respected Chief Guest of today's function, Dr. Ravindra Reddy Garu, MCA Chairman and National President-elect, who is going to take charge soon. State President Dr. Sampath Rao Garu, outgoing President Dr. Jeevan Rao Garu, and past State Secretary and Schemes Coordinator Dr. Dwarapathy Reddy Garu. It's my well-wisher, always take advice from him. Of course, Dr. Ravindra Reddy Garu, he will give always the advice whether I ask or I don't ask. He advises me whenever he thinks that I go wrong. And incoming President Dr. Subhash Garu, Secretary Dr. Tirupati Rao Garu, outgoing Dr. Secretary Vishal Garu, all other honored guests on the degrees on the dais, senior leaders, ladies and gentlemen. Usually I don't take much time, but today I felt like that I should take more time and should speak. I should vent out myself what I think about the IMA as whole, as such, whether it is be it a branch or the state IMA. So probably I may be excused to take more time, little what usually I would take otherwise. No hurry? Okay. IMA is not what it has been. IMA is now more strong, more effective. Though it needs to be grow further, for any organization for that matter, then strength comes only from the number. So we have to increase the number at any cost. As Dr. Jeevan Rao Garu mentioned that out of the qualified 30,000 doctors, 35,000 doctors in Telangana, we have hardly only 18,000. Just exactly off. It means that, it shows and means that we are lacking behind. We are supposed to make all the qualified doctors give membership and then make them IMA members. Then only it can become strong. This is first thing. So I request Dr. Sampath Rao Garu, the state president, to make it 1:1. Now we have 18,000. So one member should make another member. It's very simple. I mean, to say it's simple, but otherwise also it can be simple. It can be made simple. The formula is 1:1. That should be the slogan in this year. So that when I would take up, it should be not less than 36,000 membership. Sir, the primary object and the purpose of the IMA is to take care of the member. Like, that the problems that we face, the members face in day-to-day practice, like assaults and attacks, recently happened in Jangaon. It's a very, very burning problem that we have been facing not only here, across the country. This sort of situation only prevails in India, though we claim that it's a democracy. No, it is all manipulated democracy. It is no such. We are not. Sometimes I feel that we are not even qualified to claim or to say that we are in democratic countries. Unfortunately, the democracy has been manipulated, polluted, misused, abused, whatever you say. At least we, the being professional body, this being the professional body, we have to actually try to achieve it, try to see that democracy prevails, at least in our organization. Don't think that ours is not a powerful body. We don't have any right or power. No. I will tell you how we get the power, or anybody gets power. Power comes not from the battle of the gun. It was old dictum. Now the power comes only from the Congress, from the meetings, from groups and then discussions. What is Parliament? What is Assembly? They are all nothing but the congregation of the elected representatives by the people. Like us, see, but by frequent meeting, discussion, we also get power. This is how the power comes. You got my point. So don't ever think, please remove that concept that IMA has no power, it is a useless body. No. This is the body of the highest professionals. We save the people. So we need to be respected. We should demand rather. But unfortunately, exactly opposite is prevailing there. Because of the few corporative sectors abnormal bills, our image of the doctors has been tarnished. It's the time now to bring back it by involving ourselves in the providing the health service to the people. The primary objective of the IMA is, apart from protecting ourselves, we should need to update our knowledge in the way conducting the CMEs. The second thing is, we have a social responsibility. So we have to fulfill that obligation. Mayo, the brothers, they say they made a lot of money and then they have given everything, saying that everything we leave to make the money. It's very simple. Living for others is a worth living. I do what I say, I practice. Ever since I started my practice in Karimnagar, from the day one I see at least 4 or 5 patients. Still now it is gone up to 8 to 10. This itself is enough. I'm not trying to boast myself, that I am just trying to give an example. Apart from that, we have Vienna Health Foundation, we have immunized, we have screened more than 30,000 government school children of the SPL Karimnagar district, and out of 30,000 we found 7,000 anemic, and we have given iron supplementation, nutrition still is going on, and then after the corona started, we started a corona service also. We have got a good team. Our secretary being Dr. Jansi is very committed. She got an award. Now coming to the Nizamabad. Till last year, I thought that Karimnagar would always stand in front in carrying the IM activities, whether it's a branch or state or nation. But having seen this last year, your IMA branch under the leadership of Dr. Zion Rao and Vishal, it's amazing. Almost every alternate day, I would see some activities going on here. You would see in the WhatsApp or in the paper. Often I would study, discuss with Ravindra Reddy Anna and other things that Vishal seems to be a hyperactive syndrome. No, I'm not trying to. You take it as a compliment, not as a criticism. So, and thereby this outgoing batch, body made others' job much tougher, as Dr. Dorpant Reddy sir said. He has done all other activities, but I don't know why he didn't concentrate on schemes and membership. Schemes are the backbone. Yeah, he has done a good service in Corona, no doubt about that. And whenever I see there is Nizamabad IMA news in Hindu, I would call Dr. Jeevan Rao. Because we also did many things in Karimnagar, but Hindu never carried our news there. Probably the report here is have been very friendly to the IMA, or the IMA is very friendly to them, whatever it is. Now coming to the human relation, and if I say something about Ravindra, they say that, I mean, people think that I always try to please him. No. In fact, I am very good, very bad at praising or pleasing anyone. My natural, this one is, I am good at criticizing the people, criticizing the things. My mission is to streamline the people, streamline the situation, things. Human relation is also very important. That is called public relation. So he is very good at public relation, and all the youngsters should learn this quality from him. I myself, I am still learning from him. Sir, I have one request on this occasion to Dr. Sampath Rao Garu and even Gaurav Reddy. Both of them are అంటే ఎక్స్పర్ట్స్ కరెక్ట్ కూడా కాదు, నిష్ణాతులు అనే వర్డ్ బాగా సూట్ అవుతుంది. ఎక్స్పర్ట్ బికమ్స్ వెరీ పేల్ వర్డ్. నిష్ణాతులు వీళ్ళిద్దరు ఈ స్కీమ్స్లలో. మీరు ఈవెన్ ఇఫ్ యూ ఆస్క్ దెమ్ ఇన్ get them up while sleeping, then they will say that everything in detail. So that's why I call them as a nishnatalu. Sir, I have a request that now we have 3 schemes: FSS, APS, PPW. Why don't you make it a one go and give a concession? Make it just one go, like single window. That will also actually becomes very easy and motivate also the members. This is the one thing. The second thing is, we are seriously planning to introduce a concept of public health. It's altogether a new concept. Public health in IMA, apart from not like routine medical camps. Public health means that it covers, that includes drinking water, sanitation, personal hygiene, nutrition. The one thing, another thing is, as Dr. who said, unity is important. But unity only gives us strength. Unity is important and mandatory. We grow in number and we are united, we become a force to such an extent that government has to come down and has to involve the IMA while framing the health policies. Just by requesting them or waiting in front of them or waiting like that to meet them, no, it doesn't make any difference. We must show in practice. In practical way, we have to show what is IMA. In Britain and in the United States, the IMA president, the national IMA president is in advisory board. ఎందుకంటే మనకు డాక్టర్స్కి తెలిసినంత ప్రాబ్లమ్స్, వెదర్ రైట్ ఫ్రమ్ రూరల్ ఏరియా ప్రైవేట్ హెల్త్ సెంటర్ కానీ, ఏరియా హాస్పిటల్ కానీ, డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ హాస్పిటల్ కానీ, టెరిషరీ హాస్పిటల్, ప్రాక్టికల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మనకు తెలిసినంత, ఐ మీన్ what is the budget that has to be given at primary level, tertiary level, like that. Any sensible government, the fundamental responsibility of any government, whether it is a state or center, irrespective of any party, is to provide education and health. That's the other day I was listening to the public health talk by Dr. Srinath Reddy. In past 7 years, past 12 years, because of inadequate providing health service by the government to the common man, 7 crores people have undergone the below poverty line. It really hurts you, you feel so much pain. What for this is all this development? It's all humbug. Where we are leading actually. We should really feel ashamed that In spite of so much development, supposed to be that what they say that development and so many things, people are going below poverty line, not in a small number, more than 7 crores. It's a very, very pitiable condition. These are things that we should think, IMA should think. Another request to all the members is that మీరు మేమే మా ప్రెసిడెంట్ను ఎన్నుకున్నాము, మా సెక్రటరీని ఎన్నుకున్నాము, మా జాబ్ ఇస్ ఓవర్ అని కాదు. Each and every meeting you have to come, participate in all IMA activities, then only the body becomes strong. Then only something can be done by IMA. అంతే తప్ప మేము అయిపోయింది కదా మేము ఎందుకులే we don't have to come అనేది wrong concept. So this paradigm concept, please remove it. Before I just conclude my speech, మనకు ఇద్దరు అవుట్ గోయింగ్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ డాక్టర్ లవ్ కుమార్ రెడ్డి సార్ ఉన్నారు, ఇప్పుడు ఇన్కమింగ్ ద ప్రెసెంట్ ప్రెసిడెంట్ డాక్టర్ సంపతరావు గారు, మై ప్రెడిసీజర్స్. వాళ్ళు దే లుక్ వెరీ సింపుల్, but they are not simple. The first one, Dr. Lakumadi, will kill anyone with his smile. The second one is assassinate anyone with his laugh. అందుకొరకే I have chosen Dr. Dwarkanath Reddy as my advisor. ఎందుకంటే he will say కట్టే కొట్టే తెచ్చి what is good, what is bad. He will tell straight away on face. మీరు if you want something from Lakumadi sir or Samudra girls, it is very difficult to derive. You ask anything, he will laugh. అంటే మనము only we have to derive actually what he is telling them. He won't tell. Idokati. Now, Dr. Dwarkanath Reddy sir, he actually we need to appreciate him. He was the backbone and being a very driving force behind the recent state conference. Whether getting an AAG as a venue, providing the funds, advising, of course, the entire team, organizing committee did a good job, and also Dr. Surendranath, entire team. So let us give him a big hand. What incoming president was doing was he was only seriously practicing and laughing, but he made the entire team work hard to make it happen. Thank you.